In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error 268 or kick due to unexpected client behavior. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So this error typically occurs because you have a problem with your Roblox client. So the first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and search for add or remove programs. So now from here, just simply search for Roblox. So now find the Roblox client and click on the three dots icon in the upper right of the client. Now select advanced options. Now scroll down until you find the reset section. So now you want to repair your client. So just wait for a few seconds or minutes and click on reset. So if this fix still doesn't work for you, what you want to do is to simply uninstall the app. So after uninstalling the app, what you want to do is to reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and search here for Roblox. Now click on Roblox and you want to download it from here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.